Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. This is Miss Sidra Iqbal. This is Miss Sidra Iqbal, Department of History and Art, Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Bangalore Campus, Lahore. Today I am here with the topic of with the course title of Economic History of Pakistan for the program of Masters of History with the course code of HIST 4118. So let's continue our lecture. We will continue our lecture difference in the population size between rural and urban areas of Pakistan, the part second. Actually, we have discussed many things in our first part. If you have anything or any query, you can consult our first part of this lecture. So today's our topic is the continuation of the topic difference in the population size between rural and urban areas of Pakistan, part second. First of all, we will talk about the methodology. The data has been obtained from secondary source of World Bank official website, primary source of the World Bank official website. Primary data was the population size of the Pakistan, where is the population growth was also taken in presenting where is the population growth was also taken in presenting better understanding. The unit of data was annual in terms of number. In terms of number, the data of units was annual. 57 years of data was found conveniently from publicly available source. This is available on the website of World Bank official. We can use the official website of World Bank to find out this. Data was combined and put into statistical package for social sciences. Basically, it's a name of the software. Its short form is SPSS/20, which means SPSS abbreviation of the is um, abbreviation of SPSS is the statistical package for social science. Using chart builder, trend analysis was applied on the data through line chart. This method has been applied previously for analyzing the trend of different currencies with ADF means ADF's abbreviation is Argumented Dekifaller Unit Through Test Alvi and Kamal 2012. Results. Table 1 demonstrated a progressive increase in the population size of both these sectors during the time period of 57 years from 1960 to 2017. Nevertheless, urban population shows a near stability for around beginning 18 years and then a gradual increase. On the other hand, the pace of increase in population of rural sector is not only faster than that of urban but also it shows a much higher rate of increase after 1980s. Table 1 demonstrates a progressive increase in the population size of the both the sectors during the time period of 57 years from 1960 to 2017. Nevertheless, urban population shows a near stability for around beginning 18 years and then a gradual increase. On the other hand, the pace of increase in population of rural sector is not only faster than that of urban, but also it shows a much higher rate of increase after 1980s. I I showed the uh, table which is for the frequency of rural and urban population. You can see that in 1960s there is on the level of 2, 1968 on the level of 40 lakh. Firstly, from the this blue line is show the urban population and the red line is show the rural population. First of all, from 1962, 1968, 1976, 1984, 1992, 2000, 2008 and 2016. So from 1960 to 2017, you can see that it's from started from 0, and first step is from 20 lakh, then second step on 40 billion, 20 billion, 40 billion, then on third level is 60 billion, on eighth level is 80 billion, and on fifth level is 1 trillion, then 12 trillion, and then the 14 trillion. If you see the chart which I mentioned in the shape of a table, is basically a frequency of the population. It shows a frequency of the population. You can see that the blue line is not progress too much, but the red line shows the rapid progress in the population. This blue line is for mentioned for the urban population, and this red line is mentioned for the rural population. I hope now you can understand the frequency of the rural and urban population. Table 2. First of all, we discussed the table 1. Now we are going to discuss the table 2. Demonstrates the population growth rate of the two sectors. Unlike linear population size, changes in growth of population of both the sectors is not gradual. Rather, there are fluctuations over the period of time. Both the sectors, rural and urban, show a rapid increase in population, or we can say that the population growth rate. Changes in growth of population of the both the rural and urban sectors is not gradual. Rather, there are fluctuations over the period of time. Both the sectors, rural and urban, show a rapid increase in population growth during the 10-year period, which started from 1972 and ended in 1982. This 10 years period shows a rapid increase in population growth of the both sectors, rural and urban. Afterwards, a rapid and continuous decline is observed in both the sectors, rural and urban sectors. Nevertheless, urban population growth show a slight inclination after 2003. Overall, the growth rate of urban population overall the growth rate of urban population is quite higher than that of rural population throughout the span of 57 years. For urban areas, the growth rate has varied from 4.6% to 3.1%. On the other hand, for rural areas, it ranges from 3.1% to 1.2%. So now you can see the second table. Second table shows the population growth in percentage. So now you can see the table number second. Population growth in percentage. This table shows the uh, population growth in percentage. The blue line shows the urban population and the red line is shows the rural population. As I mentioned that its chart shows the population growth from 1960 to 2014. It shows the 1960s, 1966, 1972, 1978, 1984, 1990, 1996, 2002, 2008 and 2014. It's rapidly increased from 1960 to 2014 as it mentions in the chart. Now the table number 3 called the descriptive statistics unit of observation for the population is in numbers. Higher the deviation shows the volatility in data or small number of observation. Now we can see urban population, rural population and then the total population. Urban population 57 mean 34308821, state deviation 19 tetra 4207, minimum 99,26,529, maximum 7 crore 57 lakh 82,131, range is 25855602. If we see the rural population in 57, 72499344. State deviation is 26, 25, 79, 51. Minimum is 3 crore 49 lakh 81,764. 11 crore 74 lakh 21,345. 345. A2439581. If we totalize the population in 57 years, it's 10860865 445580899. Minimum 44908293. Maximum 19320347. Range is 1482 95183. This is the third table which describe the descriptive statistic of the population. Migration from rural to urban areas within the country seems to be the most important factor that has caused more rapid population growth rate in urban areas. Urbanization in Pakistan is quite faster due to biased provision of facilities and resources toward urban areas. It is one of the major causes of decreasing population growth in rural sites. Some authors claim that urbanization is even more rapid than it is demonstrated. It is argued that definitions of rural and urban lands need to be redefined. The developers of side by areas of metropolitan cities are not counted as urban dwellers through they earn their living from the cities and resources to use their resources to. Though the population growth of urban areas is on average almost twice than that of rural areas, the population size is much bigger in rural areas because of the reason much bigger land of the country is regarded as rural almost in a ratio of 1 semicolon 2. Moreover, birth rate in rural areas is greater than that of urban areas. The reason for a sudden increase in the rate of population growth after 1970s in both these sectors seems be rapid immigrations from Afghanistan during that time in different sectors of the country because most refugees settled in rural areas. The rural sector shows much more increase in population size, while after 2000 the influx of Afghan refugees caused a rapid decrease. This research can further extend by using more statistical analysis on the existing data in order to make clear picture about population trend to Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you, students. I hope you can learn the as much as about the rural and growth of the rural and urban population rate. If you have any query while listening the lecture or any question, you can comment or text me. Goodbye.